Hello, in this video I'll show you how to Treggle, how to create a Treggle using Treggling equipment. You will need some paper or card, a variety of writing implements. Here we have different width drawing pens allowing you to create monochrome Treggles such as this. We also have some packs of cards called Treggle decks. This one allows you to decide the shape of your Treggle. You'll choose a shape at random, as I'll show you later. Once you've created your shapes, we'll then fill them in with patterns. Could be a pattern from this Treggle deck, or it could be patterns from a different Treggle deck. This one is circles and dots. To choose the shape and the pen you'll use, we use a die. This is a 10-sided die which gives you more options. If you wish, you could use some coloured pens to create coloured Treggles like this. Next, we're going to select one of our patterned Treggle decks and arrange them on a piece of paper where we've marked spaces numbered 1 to 10. We also have room for our drawing implements numbered 1 to 10. So select your Treggle deck and then place your cards face up in the spaces reserved so they can be numbered 1 through to 10. Next, arrange your drawing implements. We're going to choose the shape of our Treggle. We call the shape the frame. So take your frame Treggle deck, shuffle them and select one of the cards. This will be the shape or frame of our Treggle. Now it's time to draw our frame or shape on a piece of paper. In this case, I'm using a saucer to draw a circle. Next, we're going to add some lines to our frame. We call them Treg lines. You could use straight edges to do straight lines. Make sure they go from one edge to the other of the frame. Or you could also use wavy lines, curves, as shown here. Make sure that the lines create various shapes inside your frame. Each one of the shapes you create is called a treg, and we'll be decorating them next. You may want to smooth out some of the sharp edges by just drawing little blobs to make them nice and round. This gives the whole thing much more of an organic feel or a cell shape. Having created your tregs with your treg lines and optionally rounding them, you may want to colour them in rather than decorating them with your patterns. Next, we're going to decorate our tregs, and to decorate them we'll need a drawing implement. First of all, we'll roll a die to select one of our 10 pre-arranged drawing implements. We'll select a treg to fill with our drawing implement by rolling a die, and wherever the die lands, then the closest empty treg is the one we'll decorate with the pattern indicated on the die. So we go to our Treggle cards and choose the pattern to fill the treg. We'll then roll the die again to select a drawing implement, and once again roll the die onto the Treggle to select which treg to decorate with the pattern from the Treggle deck indicated on the die. And again we'll roll the die to select a drawing implement for our next treg, and then we'll roll the die again to select which treg we're going to decorate. Oh, that one seems to have gone off the edge of the Treggle. Doesn't matter, just select the largest empty treg and you'll be decorating that one based on the die. In this case it's going to be a bulge. So we keep repeating the process of rolling the die to select the drawing implement, rolling the die to select the treg and which type of filler we're going to use for the treg. Then we fill it and then we roll the die again to select the next drawing implement, roll it to decide which treg and which pattern, and we keep doing this, repeating the process until the Treggle has all of its tregs completely decorated. And here we have our completed Treggle. Do take a look at the Treggling Variations page of the website to learn how you can vary the way you create and decorate your Treggles. Happy Treggling, everyone!